Reason has always existed, but not always in a reasonable form. I am nothing but I must be everything. The production of too many useful things results in too many useless people. Necessity is blind until it becomes conscious. Freedom is the consciousness of necessity. Society does not consist of individuals but expresses the sum of interrelations, the relations within which these individuals stand. Art is always and everywhere the secret confession, and at the same time the immortal movement of its time. Men's ideas are the most direct emanations of their material state. Please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Religion is the impotence of the human mind to deal with occurrences it cannot understand. Catch a man a fish, and you can sell it to him. Teach a man to fish, and you ruin a wonderful business opportunity. Landlords, like all other men, love to reap where they never sowed. The human being is in the most literal sense a political animal, not merely a gregarious animal, but an animal which can individuate itself only in the midst of society. The ideas of the ruling class are in every epoch the ruling ideas, i.e., the class which is the ruling material force of society, is at the same time its ruling intellectual force. Men make their own history. Capitalism, teach a man to fish, but the fish he catches aren't his. They belong to the person paying him to fish, and if he's lucky, he might get paid enough to buy a few fish for himself. Surround yourself with people who make you happy. People who make you laugh, who help you when you're in need. People who genuinely care. They are the ones worth keeping in your life. Everyone else is just passing through. The oppressed are allowed once every few years to decide which particular representatives of the oppressing class are to represent and repress them. Go on, get out. Last words are for fools who haven't said enough. The increase in value of the world of things is directly proportional to the decrease in value of the human world. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Please like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.